Anunnaki gods, aliens, or advanced beings. Mystery surrounds the Anunnaki gods, aliens, or wise humans. Debated origins. Sky deities, extraterrestrials, or superior knowledge holders. Mesopotamia's ancient texts portray them as extraordinary. Historians trace them in Sumerian, Babylonian, Assyrian records, in Epic of Gilgamesh, heavens and underworld, seen as gods, angels, visitors. Hidden truth from Eden to flood, Elohim to Enoch's secrets we explore. Shaped Mesopotamia, revered by Sumerians, Akkadians, Babylonians, Assyrians as Anu's descendants, celestial to underworld judges, Gilgamesh, Babylonian. Shift below, Enlil. Separated realms, sky, Anu, earth, Enlil. Key, no collective worship evidence, individual gods, Uruk-the records lists 50 or 2. Judged Inanna's descent. Igigi lesser laborers rebelled after 40 days. Enki created humans instead, myth-born celestials versus rebels. Cross-cultural floods, Sumer to Torah, Enoch, Enuma. Elis Marduk splits Anunnaki 300 build temples, Esagila, Anu. Enki children tied, Tiamat, Apsu star-linked. Sumerians claimed divine knowledge, Anunnaki Anu's sons, lynx, Anakim giants, Nephilim watchers, shining Anunnaki, Elohim, shining Aelf. Shumer guardians, Shinar shining homeland Anu shining, Anunnaki light children, global Tuatha, day Danann, Ainu fair stone circles bask. 8200 BCE Middle East Valley settlers agriculture mission teach Eden bright-faced tech gods. Family. Anuantu Enlil storms Enki wisdom. Oannes fish goat Ninhursag mother Marduk. Ninma pantheon Nana moon Utusun Inanna Venus. Sea ties Red Sea Gulf align. Elohim Sekhmet Naga lost continent. Shining dynastic family Uruk, 3000 BCE, influenced pantheons, warriors, watchers, Bible rebels, Enlil bull, Enki serpent. Eker assembly, post-flood catastrophe. King list ruled, installed, kings, warned, Noah Ouroboros. 25,800-year precession cycles tilt disasters. Igigi assistance Eden trees, life knowledge for chosen Kabbalah chakras. Ziggurats heaven bridges Jacob ladder, 12 tribes zodiac. Encoded astronomy, heaven earth meet sacred mountains. Enoch details, watchers band, angels human like guides. Cherubim exiled, seraphim fiery symbols. Watchers desired women, Semjaza oath, giants devoured, corrupted, Azazel taught weapon sorcery. Archangels watched, flood punishment, Enoch mediator. Bible God Anu sons founded Eden. Modern extraterrestrial key ancestral worldview. Decoded post-catastrophe-wise arrivals birthed civilization. Impressive gods, angels, distorted to symbols. Traces remind forgotten past. Exist gods wise discuss.